So hello everyone, welcome here back to Tech Talks for you again. In this video we are going to see latest Realme C12 unboxing and all things price, launch date are covered in this video, so don't skip this video and watch till last. So let's unbox it, and here we have the Realme C12. Let's remove the outer case of the box, and you can see here the SIM ejector pin, which is enclosed in yellow box with some paper material to read, and after this we finally see our phone. Here you can see this display with Gorilla Glass, and now we are see all the accessories are given with phone. So here you can see the quick charge adapter with cable. Here the cable is not C-type, so these are all things are given with phone. Now let's see our phone, and you can see dual camera with 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth camera. Fingerprint option is here, and bottom of the phone the logo of Realme is here. I really like this phone. What's your opinion? Comment below. I think this is very cheap as per its specifications. If you want to see all features in detail, to be 8,499 rupees, which is going to be best budget phone as per specification. Here you can then click out the link below in description box. So see you soon in next video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.